Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do something fun, so follow back on me. We're going to do some crispy chicken egg wrap, and I've gone ahead and cleaned up my chicken breast and seasoned it just to save time. Look at it, well cleaned, well seasoned, and looking good even before it's cooked. And here I have some flour that I've sifted, and of course I've seasoned the flour as well. And I'm just going to flour these pieces of chicken breast that I've cut nicely, clean, seasoned, clean cut and seasoned properly. Washed it off with some vinegar and lime juice. Please, when you're doing, make sure you clean up your meat properly and you wash it properly, all right, before you season. So that's what I did. Now I'm flouring them nicely to get a nice crunchy, crispy texture how I want it. Spicing it up, you know, for whatever time of the day you love to have it. Some people do roasted chicken for breakfast, and this is another way that you can do if you want to have a lovely breakfast or even lunch. Whatever you want to do and however you want to do it. You can also do this recipe that I'm going to do in the oven, so you can, instead of frying, if you're the person who's trying to get away from the grease, you can do it and you can bake it in the oven if you like. All right, so bear in mind that's an option. All right, and here I have 2 hard-boiled eggs on this big plate. But you know, and now I'm going to use my chicken breast and I'm going to wrap these eggs nicely and gently, because you don't want to squish the egg, you don't want to break it. All right, so you want it to remain solid as how it is boiled. Now I can't find my cord that I would normally use to tie my meat and so on. I know I have a full roll somewhere, but I don't know. Maybe the last place when I went and do something, I may have left it. So I'm improvising now with my toothpick. So feel free to use your cord at home that you have in your kitchen now, or feel free to improvise just the same as I did with my toothpicks. You know, ain't nothing wrong with that. You can use your toothpicks. I just like to use my cord for things like this, because it gives a better way to handle it. But there you go. Don't wash the toothpicks that are sticking out. It will be fine. Right. Watch me fixing it properly. Yes. So there you go. And I'm going to wrap the other one as well, and then we're going to get right into it. Right. So there we go, wrapping the other hard-boiled egg. Bear in mind that when you're going to do this, the egg needs to be hard-boiled. So not the little wimpy egg, you know, that is soft. You need it hard boiled, so you can handle it. And when you're you're doing it with squash. Alright? And as I said, you see, if I had the card, I would just quickly tie and done. But you know, no card, let's not worry. We're going to do what we know to do, but improvise. We are Jamaicans, we're ladies, we know. Right? And toothpicks are just as good to use. So, there you have it. Alright. I know most children love chicken, so you can bear that in mind. That, no, that's the case. You hear the oil hot. Now I'm putting in the chicken, and I'm going to allow it to fry. Everything very nice, golden color. So we'll see how this turns out. Right, watch me just been properly in the hot oil. Alright, and you already see I have some natural seasoning in the pot. I have thyme, I have some pimento greens, I have some garlic, crush a few pegs of garlic. I also have a pepper. No, I'm not somebody that has much tolerance for pepper, so it is not burst. But for those of you who like that sting of the pepper, you can always burst the pepper. You can cut it and drop it in there to your soup. Alright? However you like it. So we're going to continue this. And of course we turn the top. Cook nice and golden. Looking good. Alright? So far so good. I also got 2 pieces of breast. Otherwise, in the how crispy they are, and the color is lovely. Alright, so smells so delicious. Yes, look at that. Looking good, huh? That's how it is. Nice and golden. Look at both pieces. Yes, quite satisfied with that. I have them here just allowing the excess oil to drain, and then we can move them and do what we want. So here we have them quite done, been drained on the paper towel, and I'm just going to slice and I'm going to put them to display, and then we are going to come back and you will see the finished dish. And you can try if you like, if you think it is something that you want to do, you can try.